out?
I don't have enough time.
Hey, Junior, you want to come work out with me?
I don't have enough time.
Hey, Bertha, you want to come work out with me? Ain't nobody got no time for that!
Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells with Di and Gio. And today's topic is shut up and push. One of the most common excuses that we hear for not exercising is, I don't have time.
Which is bullshit.
Bullshit.
The truth is, there are so many excuses that our minds can conjure up to talk us out of doing the most important stuff. 5 more minutes. I'll just do it tomorrow. This isn't for me. It's not Monday yet.
The problem with this is that stuff remains important, and then you end up feeling bad about not doing it.
Which sends you on a downward spiral of bad habit after bad habit.
The trick to combat this bad behavior is to practice recognizing and quieting those internal voices before they stop you.
Basically, shutting yourself the up. But Di, how do you recognize these internal voices?
Well, let's say tomorrow you want to start waking up like 30 minutes earlier so you can start getting in that morning workout. Well, it's likely when that alarm goes off, you know you're going to already be coming up with reasons why you should stay in bed.
And you know that you do that. You know it. Practice listening to the dialogue of excuses as if it's a second person trying to convince you.
But take the action anyway while still listening to the voices.
Stay in bed. Stay in bed. You don't want to do this. We'll start tomorrow. Come on. Go back to bed.
You could even try talking back to your voices to convince yourself that you're in control.
Yeah, thanks for sharing your worthless opinion. The more you practice listening to yourself, the better you become at shutting your internal chatter and taking the action anyway.
Are you ready to start putting this into practice tomorrow morning?
Wake up 15 minutes earlier, just 15 minutes earlier, and do 10 to 20 push-ups.
Add 5 more minutes each morning along with another exercise until you're waking up an hour earlier.
Sit-ups, jumping jacks, squats, lunges, planks.
But the most important part of the exercise and these instructions is to practice the listening
And shutting the up.
and pushing through. What's that?
If they want fitness and wellness tips, besteverywhere.me.
Besteverywhere.me.